To transfer data from another Android phone on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first I'm going to show you this method because I have my phone already set up, but you can do this during a setup of your Samsung as well. So there will be a question where you want to basically transfer data from your previous Android phone. Just go with it, and then the process should be similar. So now right here we can go for accounts and backup, and then select restore data or transfer data from for a device setup. I'm gonna go with smart switch right there, and then we can receive files on this phone. Then choose the source, if it's Galaxy or Android phone or iPhone or iPad. I'm gonna go with the Galaxy or Android. Then we can use the method with wireless, so it will transfer the files and everything wireless method, or you can go with cable to transfer those files with cable. The cable should be a faster method depending actually on the cable as well. I'm gonna go for the wireless. Then the smart switch will be activated and it will search for your older device. So now what you need to do is get a smart switch on your old device as well, and select other Android tablet or phone, or Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet. Most of these Samsung Galaxy devices will have smart switch installed. So in this case, if you have a different Android phone, scan this QR code and follow steps directly from the app to finally transfer that files. And that is basically everything.